It has taken me so long to perfect this Vietnamese chicken wings recipe, and I'm proud and happy to say that I think I finally did it. First, start off with 5 pounds of chicken wings or drumettes only, or a combination of both. Our family, I love the drumettes and the kids love the chicken wings. Marinate it with fish sauce. I always use the 3 Crab fish sauce. That is my go-to fish sauce brand. Then add onion powder and garlic powder, sugar, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of vodka. This is optional. I like to add it just to make the chicken a bit more crispier. Then massage it all into the chicken and set it aside so that it can marinate while you're preparing the rest of the ingredients. So for the garnish, I like to use fried garlic. So you'll need 2 heads of garlic with the cloves peeled and chopped, and then put this aside. So you're gonna fry this up later. So we're gonna prepare the fish sauce glaze with fish sauce, brown sugar, coconut water, white vinegar, and lime juice. I know my lime looks like a lemon, but it's actually a lime. Interesting fact, you leave a lime long enough on the tree, it does turn yellow. Mix this all together and set this aside. As you can see, I like to prepare everything in advance, which is called a mise en place, and the reason being is because I do tend to forget my ingredients. Then fry up your garlic. You want to make sure that the oil is nice and hot and sizzling. Then add your garlic and fry them up until they're light golden brown. You want to remove them immediately only because they will continue to cook when you remove them from the oil. So I'm using this same oil with frying up my chicken. So I want to add the garlic first just to give the oil that nice garlicky flavor. Bring the oil to 350 degrees, then fry the chicken. You're going to want to do this in several batches. I actually did mine in 3 batches. Very important that whatever saucepan or pot that you use for your oil, never fill it more than halfway, otherwise the oil will overflow. You add things to it. So you want to fry the chicken until they're just turning brown, which will take around 5 minutes. Place them on a paper towel lined plate or cooling rack, and then I put them in a freezer for around 10 minutes until they're nice and cold, but not frozen. We wait for the chicken to chill. We're gonna cook the fish glaze sauce for 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the freezer, bring your oil to 380 degrees, and then fry up the chicken again. Double frying the chicken will create a nice crispiness to it. Another option is to air fry them, but I find that you don't get the same results. Transfer chicken to serving bowl, then add your garnish like jalapenos, fried garlic, pour your fish sauce glaze, and add chopped cilantro. Serve immediately. This dish is best when eaten fresh. Otherwise, the chicken will get very soggy from sitting in the fish sauce glaze. You'll notice that I didn't use any batter or cornstarch, only because I wanted my chicken wings to taste nice and light and very fresh.